Let's be honest, trying to sell single magic prompts is a dead end. That gold rush is over and the easy money is long gone. While most people are still fighting over scraps selling $5 prompt packs on crowded marketplaces, a small group of people are quietly making a fortune in 2026. So, how are they doing it? They've stopped selling prompts as a product and started selling them as a solution to a high-value business problem. They've moved past the hype and are focusing on specific, overlooked niches where a well-crafted AI workflow can generate thousands of dollars for a client and, in turn, for them. The market for generic prompts has hit a wall, but the market for AI-powered outcomes is just getting started. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what 5 of these less saturated niches are and how you can start building a real business in them today. And forget what you've heard about becoming a prompt engineer just by writing clever one-liners. While some dedicated prompt engineering roles still exist, the standalone job title is becoming less common. The real explosion in demand is for the skill itself embedded in almost every professional role you can think of. The money isn't in the prompt, it's in the result the prompt creates. It's about understanding a specific industry's pain point and building an AI-driven system that solves it. People don't pay for information they can find for free. They pay for organization, for shortcuts, for a guaranteed outcome. They pay for a system that saves them time, slashes their workload, and helps them make more money. That's the secret. You're not selling a prompt, you're selling a productized service, a template, a workflow, or a consulting package that uses AI as its engine. Today, I'm giving you the keys to 5 niches where this is happening right now, far from the spotlight. First up, a niche with constant cash flow and a desperate need for efficiency real estate. Most agents are brilliant at showing houses, but honestly, they struggle with the relentless time-sucking task of content creation and lead follow-up. They have leads going cold in their CRM, they don't have time to write compelling descriptions for every single listing, and they definitely don't have the hours to craft neighborhood-specific social media posts to attract new clients. This is where you come in. But you're not selling them a real estate prompt. You're offering a lead conversion engine. This is a package of prompts built specifically for an agent's pipeline. Imagine a system where they input the basic specs of a new listing: beds, baths, square footage, and key features. And it instantly generates 5 different listing descriptions. 1 luxurious, 1 family-friendly, 1 minimalist and modern. But it goes deeper. The package could include prompts for a 7-day follow-up sequence for new leads from an open house, with emails and texts that feel personal. It could have prompts for generating weekly market updates, social media posts for specific zip codes, positioning the agent as the local expert. Why is this area so ripe for opportunity? Because most AI for business content is stuck on generic marketing advice. It isn't addressing the specific high-stakes funnel of real estate. An agent will happily pay for a system that helps them convert just 1 more lead a year, a transaction worth thousands in commission. You could sell this as a one-time prompt pack for a few $100s, or even better, as a monthly consulting service where you manage their content workflow for a recurring fee. Next, let's tackle the chaotic world of e-commerce. For a solo entrepreneur or a small team launching a new product, the to-do list is a complete nightmare. They need a high-converting product description, a dozen ad angles to test on social media, an FAQ to handle objections, and a welcome email sequence for new customers. This process can take weeks of agonizing work. You're not going to sell them a prompt to write product descriptions. That market is totally saturated. Instead, you're going to sell them the 30-minute product launch kit. This is a coordinated system of prompts designed to take a product from idea to live in market in under an hour. Here's how it works. The first prompt takes raw product specs and generates 3 distinct benefit-driven product descriptions. The next prompt takes that output and instantly creates 10 ad hooks and 5 calls to action for Facebook and TikTok. A third prompt analyzes the product and generates a preemptive FAQ section to handle common customer objections. And the final prompt creates a 3-part email sequence to welcome new buyers and reduce refunds. The angle here isn't just about making content, it's about speed and cohesion. You're selling a streamlined launch process. This is a huge blind spot because everyone else is focused on a single piece of the puzzle, like just the description. You're selling the entire integrated workflow. You can package this as a premium template or offer it as a service where you execute the launch for busy brands. The value is immense because you're not just saving them time, you're fast-tracking their path to making money. This next one is in an industry most people are too intimidated to touch, which is exactly why there's a huge opportunity. Law firms run on billable hours and are buried in paperwork. Every minute saved is pure profit, and accuracy is everything. Now, AI can't give legal advice, but it's an absolute beast at streamlining administrative work. Forget generic tools. You're going to offer a solution called the Legal Intake and Case Summary Automator. This is a specialized prompt library built for paralegals and legal assistants to manage their crushing workload. These firms pay premium prices for tools that ensure consistency and save time on non-billable tasks. So what does it do? One prompt can take a messy, paragraph-long client intake form and instantly structure it into a clean, bulleted summary, pulling out key facts like names, dates, and incidents. Another prompt can analyze pages of interview notes and produce a first-pass draft of a case summary. A third can generate drafts for client update emails, translating complex legal jargon into plain English that keeps clients happy and informed. So why is everyone ignoring this? The fear of legal complexity keeps most people away, but the opportunity isn't in giving legal advice, it's in supercharging the administrative workflow. You're not replacing the paralegal, you're giving them a superpower. This can be sold as a high-ticket custom prompt library for a few $1,000s per project. When you consider that law firms bill hundreds of dollars an hour, a system that saves even a few hours a week offers a massive and immediate return. And just a quick pause, if you're already seeing how this shift from single prompts to packaged solutions is the future, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button. We're only at number 3, and the next 2 are just as good. Similar to the legal field, healthcare is another area where efficiency and accuracy are worth their weight in gold. But again, the opportunity isn't in high-stakes diagnosis. It's in the administrative backbone of every clinic and private practice. Healthcare teams are drowning in paperwork, patient communication, and internal documentation. So, your solution is the Healthcare Admin Efficiency Suite. It's a carefully designed set of prompts focused on streamlining non-clinical administrative tasks, which in turn frees up nurses and admins to focus more on patient care. Now, what's actually inside this suite? Well, first, there's a prompt that takes complex clinical aftercare instructions and transforms them into simple, patient-friendly language that people genuinely understand. This alone helps reduce those confused follow-up calls. Then there's another prompt that takes a doctor's dictated notes and turns them into a structured summary for billing and internal records. The suite could also include prompts for generating templates for appointment reminders, pre-visit instructions, and follow-up messages. Here's the thing. This is the kind of stuff nobody really talks about because the conversation around AI in healthcare is almost always dominated by futuristic diagnostics and, well, big picture breakthroughs. But the real immediate need is in tackling the day-to-day grind. What you're actually selling here is a system that reduces administrative burden, minimizes errors, and improves the patient experience. It's a prime opportunity for AI consulting, where you work directly with clinics to integrate these workflows for a significant monthly retainer. Finally, Let's get out of the digital world and target the businesses that are the backbone of our local economies: plumbers, roofers, dentists, salon owners, and gym operators. These folks are often amazing at their craft, but have little to no marketing presence. They have real cash flow, but need more leads and repeat customers to grow. Your offer to them isn't AI marketing, it's the Local Service Business Growth Kit. This is a dead simple prompt system designed for business owners with zero time for complicated marketing. It focuses on the three things they need most: getting found online, reactivating past customers, and getting more positive reviews. Here's the breakdown. The kit includes a prompt that generates a month's worth of Google Business Profile posts from a few simple inputs. Like this week's special is a new client discount. Another prompt creates simple text and email campaigns to send to past customers with a compelling offer to bring them back. And a third prompt provides a script for staff to politely ask for a Google review, along with a follow-up message template. So why is this a goldmine? Because 99% of Make Money with AI gurus are targeting other online creators. They completely ignore the millions of brick-and-mortar businesses with real revenue and real problems. You could sell this growth kit as a $99 digital product, run it as a do-it-for-you monthly service for a few $100, or use it as a foot in the door to offer bigger consulting packages. As you can see, the theme is consistent. You're not selling a prompt, you're selling a package solution. And there are three main ways to make money from this. First, as a product, this is your prompt pack or template kit. You create a high-value PDF or Notion template that solves a specific problem, like the Ecommerce launch kit, and sell it for a one-time fee, maybe between $49 and $199. Second, as a service. This is where you use your prompt system to get results for a client. You become the AI-powered marketing agency for local businesses or the workflow consultant for law firms. This is perfect for recurring revenue, often starting between $500 and $2,000 a month. And third, as content. You use these niche ideas to create content just like this video, build an audience, and then monetize through affiliate links, your own products, or by attracting high-paying consulting clients. The content becomes your marketing funnel. The gold rush for selling single magical AI prompts is a thing of the past. The real opportunity in 2026 and beyond is to become an AI-powered problem solver. It's about finding a specific niche, understanding its unique pains, and building a packaged solution that delivers a real result. It's time to stop thinking like a prompt seller and start thinking like a systems builder. Pick one of the 5 niches we talked about today: real estate, e-commerce, legal, healthcare, or local services. Which one seemed most interesting to you? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe.